Oh, you missed all the action. We had to dig about 4 or 5 feet down because we ran into a bunch of pipes and copper wiring and pool drainage and stuff like that, but we got the job done.
All right, guys, we are back out here at Marcy Jackson and Idris Dobbs' house. Gonna kind of re-go over the drainage now that it's in. You can see the channel drain. I got it 90'd straight down, and there's 2 sets of Ys that run into the same pipe underneath here. It's still open on this end because we had to go a little bit deeper than we were expecting, just because there's a mess of pipes in there. There's irrigation pipes, AC pipes, pool pipes, conduit for stuff. There's all sorts of stuff in there. So we're gonna get a box extension, which is like, it'll raise 6 inches to that box so we can keep it at that nice depth where everything still flows. We brought a bunch of dirt in here, around 5 cubic yards, raised it up a considerable amount, like 4 to 6 inches up against this wall, which is gonna help a lot with the drainage and everything off of the patio. And it makes it look a lot nicer. Even that 6 inches just makes it look a lot smoother, just way better transitions for everything. And the grade is gonna flow towards this fence line where we're gonna have that viburnum hedge. So it's gonna kind of keep that perpetual water thing going for them. I'm kind of done with my first phase for the second. So irrigation's gonna come out here tomorrow. It's gonna take them maybe a day or two to run through all the irrigation, make sure everything works, make sure everything's getting covered. And then I'll be back out here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday doing the rest of the little plants, the touch-up sod and mulch. So I'll see you guys then.